Peace, fam. I'm sorry I've been missing for a little bit. I be going through some things in my head. I be thinking too hard, and I be like fighting myself to do these videos because I still be having some insecurities. I know. I shed light and love to everybody every day, and sometimes I be forgetting to shed light and love to myself. So I am stopping judging myself, being so critical, so hard on myself. I'm just out here giving you information to make y'all feel better, look better, be better. And so let's glow. We glowing together. All right, I had to get it out the way because I feel like once I release that, I ain't worried about nothing else now, okay? So today I want to show y'all what I'm making myself for as a smoothie to keep my body strong, my immune system strong, because you know the coronavirus flu season is still here. Like, it's supposed to have been already gone, but like it's still here, and it ain't budging. And then allergies on top of that is coming because it's spring and flowers are blooming and things of that nature. So everyone can get the flu. Even someone who has the strongest of the strongest immune system can get the flu. No one is immune to the flu, but how your body responds to it and how long lasting your body determines on how you take care of your body. So, you know, unfortunately, we do get cases of people who die from the flu. People do die of the flu every year, and it's because their immune system is compromised, meaning they're either taking pills daily to deal with any other type of element that will weaken their immune system, any type of other type of breathing issues they may have, or just not in the best shape that they could possibly be. Just because you're older don't mean you have to have a weak immune system. It all depends on what's compromising it, because medicine can compromise it, not making it strong. Antibiotics can make it not as strong as it's supposed to. Not cleansing properly. So it doesn't, and stagnation of blood and, you know, dirty blood and not purifying yourself can make you a target for death from the flu. So what you want to do is make sure you combat that and give your body things that it needs to stay strong as long as it possibly can. The being inside of me is so young and so vibrant that I want to make sure I match her vibe and her energy. I can't be around here eating all type of things that don't serve my body well, and on the inside I want to be joyful, and I am joyful, and the being in me wants to like she like 18, so you know how we popping up when we was 18, like that's how she is, and I'll be 40 in June. So that's why my energy is the way that it is. My vibrancy is that because I match her, and in order to match her, I have to give her whole foods, a healthy nutrition, a real healthy, nutrient-rich supplement every day that I to give to her to make sure we match our energy, because I want to make sure, and if I do get sick, because it could happen to me too, I want to make sure that if it's a 10-day duration, I get it for 3. You feel me? My house the couple of my kids, my baby girl, she has brought the flu in the house, and my oldest daughter had got it, and she's a basketball player, so she's been moving. She hasn't given her body a chance to rest. So unfortunately, and she was eating some type of stuff, some crazy stuff, so I ain't gonna lie, so she got the flu. My husband got touches of it here and there, and then with the caregiver of everyone, I have been, and then my little girl, she had it. Oh my God, it was so bad. And so with me being the caregiver of everyone, I've been in contact with it. So we've been around each other, me and the flu, you know what I'm saying? And I have not gotten it. Praise God. So, and I really do believe it's because I make sure I put these certain supplements in my body every day to keep it strong. Now, your immune system isn't just, well, do you know what the immune system is? The immune system consists of several parts of your body. Your lymphatic system, which is your blood flow system, which takes things all over your body, or not if it's stagnant. And that's why they say sometimes, or when you go to the doctor, sometimes they feel your throat to see if your lymph nodes are swollen, to see if there's an infection anywhere. The infection is not just here, the infection is traveling around in the blood. And then you got your colon, your digestive system. So your elimination system is a part of your immune system, and your elimination system is so important. Oh my God, it's so important, because if it's stagnant, if it's not moving, how is it going to be able to get the germs out? You know what I'm saying? So you need to make sure that that's moving freely. Pooping once a day is okay, it's better than nothing, but let's get to 2 times a day. Let's make sure we're drinking our water, make sure we hydrate. Your circulatory system, your respiratory system, your immune system is not just one thing. It's a connectivity of a lot of pieces and parts of your body. And so, long as as you do your part and give it what it needs, your body will be able to fight and combat things that you just think can't do it, and that medicine can do. It can. Now, I'm a true believer. If you gotta go to the hospital, go to the hospital. If you gotta get some medicine to really knock that thing out really fast, do what you gotta do. But then after that, make sure you start adding in great things, probiotics. If you gotta take an antibiotic, make sure you put back them probiotics. Make sure you eat fermented foods. Make sure you give your body back the nutrients that it lost or it never had if it was a deficiency in the first place. Make sure you replenish that. Make sure you support and boost up certain things that feeds and serves your body well. So this morning I'm making me a smoothie that I've been making for almost 2 weeks now since baby girl had the flu, and I was like, I need to make sure that I'm tip-top shape, because being a caregiver of someone sick, you can't get sick because you're taking care of everybody, right? So this morning I have wild blueberries and bananas. Now you can get blueberries, right? I use wild blueberries, and wild blueberries are really good antioxidants, antiviral, and they help pull heavy metals out of your body and like hold them until you digest them, because we digest metals every day and don't even know it. Now, wild berries are also cultivated differently than the regular blueberries, so that's why I choose wild blueberries than regular blueberries. So I do that along with some spinach, a handful. I probably do 2 handfuls because I am not opposed to making sure I have my vegetables in my system every day. And it just tastes good. I mean, you definitely know you get some good stuff. Moringa powder, all right. Moringa powder. It is loaded with vitamin C, calcium, iron, potassium, vitamin A. It's truly considered like a superfood, antioxidant, antifungal, antiviral. So it pumps you up. It keeps you nice and strong. Don't OD, because I be ODing sometimes. I used to OD on herbs and powders and stuff until I got sick. Because I was like, well, it's natural, right? It's not going to bother you. Yes, it will. So 1 teaspoon of moringa powder. And what does it taste like? It has a taste to it. It's not bad. It's not a bad taste. You can just taste it. It's earthy. It's earthy. Earthy. It's earthy. But I love it. And of course, my Seamoss Gel. Every day I'm taking a form of Seamoss every day, more than once a day as well too, specifically around this time as well, to keep me boosted, immune, keep everything nice and healthy in there. So I take 2 tablespoons of the gel and I put it in my smoothie. So I want to show you how I put it in my smoothie. Just go just like that. 2 tablespoons. I use the product. Just 2 tablespoons of the Seamoss Gel. And this tastes like, it's salty. The salty level is like probably like a 3. It's not even that serious. Especially if you make it right and you soak it and you clean it, it's not going to be too overtaking in your palate. Vitamin C. Can you see that? Vitamin C. I'm trying. Is that on focus? Vitamin C, buffered vitamin C. Buffered vitamin C is a better form to take vitamin C so it can be better absorbed in your body. Other ways is a little like your body doesn't recognize it as easily, and the other way it can upset your stomach. So if you take the buffered vitamin C, it's easy to absorb and you won't have any stomach troubles. So this is 1 teaspoon too. And I put that in my smoothie. So right now in my smoothie, I have wild blueberries, like 1.5 cups. I have 1 banana. I have 2 handfuls of fresh spinach leaves. I have 1 teaspoon of moringa powder. And I have 2 tablespoons of Seamoss Gel and 1 teaspoon of buffered vitamin C. Vitamin C is really good. Like, you already know, like the emergency stuff. Emergency isn't the same as vitamin C. Let me take this off. But like, it's not the same, but it gives you a blast of vitamin C in the body, supposedly. But that's what I take. And then some water, some spring water. So I just fill it up with some water. I don't use almond milk or like any type of other like nut milk or anything, because it still has sugar in it. And especially when you're trying to keep your immune system healthy, you do not want to eat a lot of sugar, because what happens once you consume certain type of processed foods and sugar, your body's going to try to break that down first, recognize that first before it does anything else. So we'll just say you eat a lot of like cake or candy bars or whatever, and then you're around someone who has the flu. So once you eat all that, the candy and stuff, it breaks down your immune system, meaning your immune system has to process that first before it will fight the flu, because that's just what's going to happen. And then the strength that it's taken to break down the processed food and the sugars is not going to have the strength to fight the flu now. So now you're sick because you gave your body that stuff, then giving it good stuff to help boost it, you gave it food to take away from the strength of it. So then when the flu comes, boom, you're sick, right? So that's exactly what happens. And with allergies as well, I used to have allergies really, really bad. At the start of, as soon as anything would bloom, like really, really bad, to the point, like it was just bad. I couldn't even breathe, you know, had to put things in my nose and sprays and stuff, to the point like I have been allergy free. Like I haven't reacted to the allergy season in years, and it's because I keep my immune system up and I keep my colon, my digestive area system clean. Gotta keep it clean. And I especially know if sugar is something that and alcohol derives the body of its power, then especially around those times where my body can be extra sensitive, or need that extra boost of strength, I won't even have that, because then anything creep up, it's going to try to attack you. So think about that. Oh, I do put some ice in it too. Be right back. Bam! Some people don't like this with ice in it. Some people like room temperature, and that's cool too. You know, do you? I ain't mad at that. Oh my goodness, I forgot to put in some cinnamon. So cinnamon is like a fiery type of herb. So if you're like draining a lot, cinnamon helps to like burn things up in your body, heat it up in there. I think I put a little too much water in there, but that's fine. But either way, you still got the nutrients and you're still gonna feel good and look good too. So, oh good. Hopefully, I'll have the information below. Try it out. Let me know. Any questions, hit me up. I want everyone to get through this season and seasons of your life, period, in a healthy manner. Don't be scared. Don't be scared. Just be prepared. Peace and blessings, y'all. Much light and love to everyone. Sending healing energy your way if you have been affected by the flu. Sending rejuvenation to you if you're going through, or just sending power to you and light to continue the journey of being healthy and feeling good and looking good. Right? Peace, light, and love, y'all. Peace, fam.